this is here Barbie Chatterjee again with you guys, and I'm back today with this video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this makeup look right here, which you can create for your rakshabandhan. I know everyone is sitting in the house and they just don't want to do anything so extra, but this eye look here looks the right percentage of extra, but it's like an easy peasy look. And I also did not apply any lashes because I wanted it to be like fully kind of, natural. I know this is a glammed up kind of makeup look, and yeah, you can like pair any kind of lip shade with this. I just felt like I just wanted to apply and with a gloss, so I went ahead with a big red shade, and I think it looks pretty decent. So if you want to know how I created the look, then keep on watching. But before that, you need to subscribe to my channel, also like and share this video with your friends, and also comment down below what kind of different videos do you want me to make for you guys. And yeah, let's get started. And also to follow me on my Instagram, because I post quite a few looks over, like quite a lot of looks over there, which I don't post here on YouTube, and you will get all the updates prior to YouTube on my Instagram. So check out my Instagram too. So let's get started.
Let's get started. So first of all, I'll be starting with prepping my face. So I'm using the Organics Mantra Retinol Serum. I'm just taking 2 drops of it on my face, and I'm just going to gently massage it on my face. Then next step, I am going to take the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Moisturizer. This stuff actually smells really amazing. It has jasmine and lavender essential oil, so it just smells so good. I'm actually trying out this new product, so a review and haul video will be up soon. So then I'm going to use this moisturizer and just moisturize my face and drench my face with a lot of water. Next, after just massaging this into my skin, I'm going to make do my brows. So for that, I'm going to use the pack eyebrow pomade in the shade 03. This is actually the super brow cream, and I'm just going to carve out my brows and shape them and just brush them out so that it just looks even. Then with the help of Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer, I'm going to prime my face. I'm just applying that on my T-zone, under eyes, on my eyelid, and on my smile lines wherever I can get creases and wherever I do have pores. Then I'm going to use the Miss Claire Full Coverage Makeup Concealer. This one is in the shade number 5, and I'm going to apply that under my brows, just carving them out, and also carve them out properly, and then apply the same concealer on my lid as my base for the eyeshadows, and just blending it out with a blending concealer blending brush. Next up, I'm not going to set it, but I'm just going to directly pack on the eyeshadows. So I'm going to use the SFR color Hate It With Love eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to use this pink shade with a fluffy blending brush all over my crease. So I'm just gently blending that shade all over my crease. I'm not like packing on that shade. And if you want to check out a review on this palette, it is already up on my channel, so you can just go ahead and check it out. Then I'm going to use this deeper pinky shade and apply that on my outer V with another blending brush, and I'm just going to blend it out with the crease shade. I'm just depositing the crease color. Then I'm going to use this pink shimmer from this palette, and it's a beautiful shimmer, you guys. Like, the pigmentation on this palette is just amazing, so just check out the review, and I have also swatched all of the shades for you guys. So I'm just going to apply that all over my lid, and I'm just blending it out with the blending brush. I'm just using this shade again, the shade which I had used on my crease, and just blending all the shades out so that it just looks seamless. Then I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution XO highlighter palette and use this pink baked highlighter and just pop that on the center of my lids to just make the shimmer shade pop. Then for my lashes, I'm going to use the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara, which is my favorite mascara, and just apply that on my lashes. Next step, for my base, I'm going to use the Maybelline Strobe Cream in the shade Nude and the Olivia Foundation in the shade 3 Soft Nude. So if you want to see a complete review of the Olivia Foundation, that is also up on my channel, so you can just go ahead and check it out. And also do check out my Cuffs and Lashes haul, whatever I got from Cuffs and Lashes. So I'm just blending that foundation with the help of a kabuki brush. So this is basically a simple kind of look, so I didn't want to use eyelashes, so I've just kept it pretty simple but yet a glam kind of look. Then I'm using again the same concealer and applying that on my under eyes near my inner corners, and also I'm just sharpening my eyeshadow so that it just looks good. So I'm just blending that out with a concealer buffer brush. Then for setting it out, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. This is in the shade 238, and then I'm just going to set my under eyes. So if you want to stay want your concealer to stay creaseless, most probably use a loose powder because compacts are a little bit too thick. And then I'll be using the Milani XL bronzer in the shade 01 and apply that on the hollows of my cheeks to bronze up. And then for my blush, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Flush Creator Blush. This is in the shade Kiss Bite. I'm just applying that on my cheeks, and then using all the same shades which I had applied on my eyelid, I'm going to use that on my lower lash line and just apply the shimmer shade near my inner corners. Then I'm going to use the same mascara and coat my lower lashes too with the same mascara. Then using the Makeup Revolution XO highlighter palette again, I'm using this light golden shade from the palette and then applying that on my cheeks, on the bridge of my nose, cupid's pull, chin, wherever you apply the highlighter usually. Then using this pink shade from the palette, I am going to highlight my inner corners and also my brow bone with the same. Next, I'm going to use this SFR color liquid lipstick. This is in the shade 07. This is a very beautiful brick red kind of color. I have already applied lip balm, so I'm just applying this on top of the lip balm so that it just stays glossy. And then I was in a mood to apply a gloss, so I went ahead and used the iTix Dazzler lip gloss and applied that all over my lips, and it just gave my lips a very fuller look. And I absolutely love how this look turned out. If you liked my video, please share and subscribe to this channel, and also comment down below how did you like it. Bye bye.